stop to look at you, you're like a treasure, you like a treasure. You got me feeling something real, and I can't escape now, and I can't escape now. And when I spend